appointees in person baby or mukra. Me reporter, me member or me.
Abuja from Mamu Nama Kwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm this like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major so. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under hwa. Ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko video bimra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Mommy enko message here.
Stop me against Jomama and NDC biano. But Edru said, Sabita Frache, yeah, only say Accra FM, class media. I contact marketing for contacting some companies, buy institutions, government institutions are. Omo to meet advert, omo Accra FM, omo ubia. Yes. Because that young government institution be a momo emma. And we have a say even the articles that Yenya Steven Zori no said that Trafa Jomama Accra FM enko government institution be a momo emma advert da Accra FM ne class FM report Accra FM reporters kra no omo pese obeben baby omo yeah NDC appointees in person baby or mukra. Me reporter, me member or me. To be honest with you, NDC in office, Senya Sami Jemfia Kando are like my main friends. They are my friends, my personal friends. Even Chief of Staff for Yami Papa Krano, the office me once in my lifetime.
You were warned, you my warning. Ghana meet you. Am I a warning?
Appointees in person baby or mukra. Me reporter, me member or me. To be honest with you, but you see, yeah, now so uncrofor when uncrofor bua no. No, I can't want more. Because so me, 4 years I continue the BNC. Well, sir, who do ya? Unyangu you? You know you're not a Ghana. Into who do ya? Who did 4 years in ya? Ye. And now years now young we are microphone and two. Now said the amount for Bessie Achon, I say, or bra out if you know. You know, what a problem, no one. Ave de akofo no osu say MPP people obi amfane nya hwe yemu no yamu be kukrofo a mo bo awo na so I don't care about them me busuafo me Ave de akofo no osu say MPP people obi amfane nya hwe yemu no yamu be kukrofo a mo bo awo na so I don't care about them me busuafo me nkrofo me me kromfo yo. So this guy is at NLA. Inti obe feed the platform no sa ebedu 2028 no near baba be frɛ wo sɛ wow ekwam de ono brana ane de ono wadi di ame no emfa nkosi ani. And I make 400,000 I don't need me see me nibi but I don't need it. And it's fine that Felix Kwachofo Sukai, yes, I reset na NKBBA. So at least MPP timer, it won't happen. No, MPP they won't do this stupid stuff. Yes, almost NDC for be so papa. Maybe I know obi ni mo bi any ade. Me mpem kwase asem ntinu men MPP ni bia ya na me personal vow for 8 years me mpem kwase asem ntinu men MPP ni bia office da me mpem kwase asem in my life. Na say me share me nua Samia Oku. Commander say wa ma na papa panimu ti say me sorry.
Wo be man crop foforo. Wo fa ma assembly. Wo fa ma sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for disika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anya wa. Sako hwe no sako shi ta. You show ton na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Who kwa hu ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo pad. Saka wide. Who is a pad na na be ye bibia mo. Into
about 15 minutes, you can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid, make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them.
How long have you been waiting?
Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something, so it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever Catastina or Lucas or Lucas Saga. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushosina Bubu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada Baby.
That flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever Catastina or Lucas or Lucas Saga. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushosina Bubu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada Baby. Fisa Omaya Bibi said this in Bahia. Yan Piano, Yan Pirochina.
Imagine no for 4 hours in here. Me free and pass is 30. A quack I think 9 or 10. And then a quaba copa, a driver for Namso every day. Over quiet away, so I was so do a massamai. I was over 30 minutes. Uber do a massamai 2 hours 30 minutes. Then I am and Ocratisa, a quite a camucho from my now double for yes, young Quajuma. Negative come away, I didn't yama. Now taxes are Homuti and Musumusani, the Amubajina Mudi and Muda Scandia Mudi, Yenim, Munia Quanamaya. Say insurance, double for your insurance, your license. AM account, road account, Sikabia, Wamuti, whatever for still a coin. And any almost Yabemo my way. Baby, I be was here 5 city, I bet 20 cities. And also, the police in this side, no accident driver, no do. Or Chiano Pepper will be a Juma, which you bet my catcher was a Ebia, Mammy Scabadito, Ebia, battery. Now, government, you know, Ebia battery, no, and I said, let's know who are you, government to me, Mamma, and to be a driver for your young also there. And your Quano, your demonstration, a bino, and one man, one may acquire my own way to my
Abusian, no more kwasia pam bressing ye wootino. NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no one can tronya propaganda on cancer who won't dear terminal or mom bro. Omon bressing Ghana for now, they think say Captain Smart no nimiansa bi. Now can no cray nunti womutieno. Omon bre Ghana for now mutie Captain Smart no. Omo no omo bread. Now you see about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasiasema Captain Smart Cr TV so e kan hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya ansem nkyere no
de to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo
je ne da no simu de bia ye kan ho asem oman we je se yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders a KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, the active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say in because the agenda na person here number of hospitals in person is intimate because of time, but those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan say saying na no me nyina be ya. This kind of can't was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people have come for. Name my comfort to my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, and most of my come for. I comfort my facilitator, me on the fund, free seniors, most of my come for. You see, I ain't gonna for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Moki Kamaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Cannon to me and Cono. I saw from among common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a chief imam for the common to the queen in a politicians need come on to the queen now. Market women on common to the queen now. Oh, be anchored and into the queen in a 2020 they will know the way forward. Yet a crime will be so on no bow, no, the credit scoring system, but I must open conquering it. Nancy Bibi Nina said, ye be getting invest getting. We want everything in pieces, we don't want everything in bulk. And yes, same cranny. Obi ma credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open getting. Is there anyone there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Me na warn you, say me say me na me go catch you radio the many man say all members come to one. Ye digitalization you start to say here most daddy. Digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo mamu kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye okrom ha ya e dey rajon the money mama ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government it me
Say dear ko ye kwa de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Films, hey, Ramona Chapa ya happiness say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no were ye former staff a man number one, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.